What's up, guys? Today Chad and I have one special Restomod to show you. This 1964 Chevy Short Box. The guy that had it had over $87,000 invested, and these are all the receipts. Just an awesome build, beautiful paint, LS motor, suspension upgrade, and you name it, this truck has it.
And done in an awesome color combination, guys, of dark shadow gray with crimson red. And everything on this truck was done to absolute perfection, whether it be the inside, undercarriage, suspension, just a very, very high dollar build. It's got the Vortec LS engine in it, headers, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel power disc brakes. You can see on the inner fenders here, just a fantastic build, you guys.
This truck's ready to go.
Aluminum radiator, bottom of the hood's all painted beautifully, hood hinges. Just the truck restoration just got out of hand. And I think that happens with a lot of restorations, guys. If you want something really nice, you take something in, needs a little repair, it just, where do you stop?
Exactly, this guy didn't.
Yeah, it's a fantastic job, guys. So if you're looking for a super nice build, this is it. I love what he did here too. He went with a crimson red just on the insert here and on the top, on the dash. Just really highlights this dark shadow gray. All the chrome on this thing was completely re-chromed. Went ahead and went with the newer headlights in it. Just really nice. Unfortunately, today, guys, we're not driving this truck. This thing does not work well on snow and ice. These wheels are fantastic, but they're not good on ice. So we're gonna go ahead and just do a walk around on it.
Four-wheel disc brakes, you name it, mechanically, it's been modernized and upgraded, which, I mean, is so nice to have.
All new windshield, all new rubbers, all new tinted glass throughout. There is one little ding on it. I don't know if it happened here. A little upward ding right here. You can tell it's just got a little spot in the paint right there. Other than that, across the hood is perfect. Even the gap in the backside of the hood is really nice. Gaps are great from top to bottom here on our passenger side door defender. As far as our wheel size, we have Legend wheels, guys, and our size is a little tough to read. Not sure on the size. Dalton might be able to go find that out for us. It does have the new dual chrome mirrors. As we look across the top of the roof, the body lines are excellent there. They did a great job where they cut this line right here in for the two-tone.
Tell them the tire size is up under the fender.
Back side of the door is in excellent shape. Rocker panel where it meets the cab corner is awesome. Here's just a kind of a sneak peek, guys, of the undercarriage. A-frame up front. It was a full frame off restoration.
I love how he cut out the exhaust too, and how he's got the exhaust coming out.
Yeah, nice, really nice Flowmasters, guys. And we went ahead and took our pictures, so the truck's just a little dirty around the edges. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. It sounds awesome. All brand new oak bed, and when he did this, the stain of this thing is just phenomenal. All new chrome. Here's another thing on the build. I want to kind of show you the tailgate, how that works here. If I remember. As far as all new bolts, all new wood, new chrome. The inside here of the bed is perfect. Top of the rail is excellent. You think you can figure that out, D? Trying to think how that worked.
Sure.
I'll let you mess with it. Tail lights are all new. Yeah, just a really, I mean, nothing was done cheaply at all, nothing.
And we got the evidence of that too in that pile of receipts.
So the body and the paintwork is super straight. The fenders are awesome. The wheel and tire combination, I love it. It's got a nice low stance. We don't have any tire rub, nothing like that. That works out really well.
So with the tailgate, there's these latches here on both sides that you just push down on each side and it latches up.
Yeah, that's nice. Very, very nice. Do you mind just firing it up for 1 second?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
One thing, he moved the gas tank.
Yeah, the other thing with this, wait till we get to the inside, guys. I'm gonna go ahead, let's not fire it up right now. I'm gonna go ahead, why don't you sit in it? That's the biggest thing. So, we all know Dee is kind of a bigger guy. Look at the freaking room. Sorry, doll.
That's all right.
Look at the room. Look at the headroom. Look at the leg room. I mean, this is a big boy truck.
Yeah, it is. It is. I like it. Like all new custom seats, super comfortable. One thing to check out too is this center console. I like how it's super cool. It comes right up.
Yeah, this is TMI. So it's a TMI console, TMI custom seats, and they are freaking comfortable. I mean, there is a ton of leg room in this thing.
And you got a cup holder for your beer or whatever.
Sodas, coffee, whatever. It's got the nice, it's a 4-speed automatic transmission, and look how nice the shifter is. Vintage Airworks.
That's sick.
Yeah, check out the Dakota Digital Dash, and everything frickin' works. There's your water temperature, your fuel. It's got digital right here in the middle, guys, and it's got all the other gauges here, like the circle gauges as well. Radio works.
Oh, I turned it off.
Yeah, you did. Anyway, the radio works great. Got a little mask here if you have to go into a gas station. This thing is all set up also, where you can plug it all in, Bluetooth and all that stuff too. So the carpet's in really great shape. It's got the nice kick panels. Like I said, the best of everything. We're gonna go ahead and have Dalton start this thing. That thing sounds wicked. So not only does this thing look sweet, interior is awesome, it's comfortable, it's got a great look, but it sounds awesome and it's fast too. So again, everything's in excellent shape. The cab corners, the steps, the exhaust.
Oh, I'm sold on it. I kind of want to buy it. Do I get a good deal?
You will
buy
get a
that?
good deal. Yep. Just as good as anyone else. All right, guys. Hey, check this thing out on our website. Come on in and test drive this thing when the weather gets better. It's a fantastic 1964 Chevy half-ton step side.
Yeah, it is.